While attempting to upload the custom Divi font, I encountered an error message stating, "Sorry, you are not allowed to upload this file type." In this video, I will guide you through the steps to resolve this issue. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for newly uploaded videos. You first need to download the font files from their website in .ttf or .otf format because those are the supported file formats are .ttf and .otf in the Divi builder. Second step is that to install the plugin Mime Type Plus. This plugins help to bypass the error. The third step is to unzip the downloaded file and then upload the font. In this video, we can see that the error is not showing and the custom Divi font is working correctly. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.